Having a hard time getting to sleep? Here are 4 things that you can do to quickly fix that. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from QuantumUpgrade.com, and I'm an energy healer sharing with you practical tips that you can use to help you to get amazing results physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. And if this is something that you're interested in doing, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. Let's start. If you're like me, you probably have a hard time getting to sleep. You're tossing and you're turning, and it's just so challenging, especially when you're feeling stressed. And with everything that's going on right now, it's really hard to get a good night's rest. So what can you do about that? Well, you know what I do? I get out the big guns. I have 4 things that I know, and I'm pretty sure if you try at least 1 or 2, or just try all of them, I'm pretty sure that one of them is going to work for you. Now keep in mind that not everything that I'm sharing with you is going to work for you. But if you try all 4 of them, I'm pretty sure 1 or 2 of them is going to work out for you. Number 1, apple cider vinegar. This is my favorite to drink for 2 reasons. Number 1, it works really fast, and number 2, I get a flat tummy when I wake up in the morning. Now, the way that I drink it is I usually use a straw. So whenever you drink an apple cider vinegar, I suggest that you drink it with a straw because, you don't want to damage the enamel of your teeth. So drink it with a straw. So why apple cider vinegar? I'm sure you've heard all kinds of good things about it. Apple cider vinegar is a natural laxative. It improves your sensitivity to insulin, and it improves your digestion. It helps you to lose weight. It lowers your It lowers your blood pressure, and it helps you to reduce belly fat. Do you have apple cider at home? What do you use it for? Comment below. Did you know that apple cider vinegar kills bacteria? In fact, apple cider vinegar was used to disinfect wounds back in the day, and it's still being used today. That's why apple cider vinegar is used as a preservative. Number 2, taking honey just before bedtime. I like it because it tastes good. And once upon a time, I couldn't stand the taste of honey, but now I take it regularly, especially when I'm trying to get to sleep, and it works amazingly. When you first eat honey, your insulin level will rise slightly, allowing tryptophan to enter your brain easily. Tryptophan makes you sleepy and helps you to fall asleep fast. You may be familiar with this, especially when you're having turkey, during Thanksgiving and you're having turkey dinner and you've had too much turkey, you usually want to fall asleep. That's because turkey has a really high level of tryptophan, which helps you to fall asleep easily. Honey also contains vitamins and minerals like potassium, calcium, B complex, and magnesium, which promotes relaxation. Combining apple cider vinegar and honey together really gives you a wonderful combination of those 2 things. Number 3, magnesium. I personally prefer a brand called Calm. It's really good. You add some hot water to it and you drink it just before going to bed at night, and I pretty much guarantee you by the time your head hits the pillow, you will be fast asleep. Magnesium is used in over 600 cellular reactions in our bodies. In fact, every organ and cell requires magnesium to function properly. It contributes to healthy bones, proper brain function, heart and muscle functions as well. There are many types of magnesium supplements available. You've got magnesium citrate, magnesium oxide, and magnesium chloride. In my opinions, the ones that are best are the ones where you add hot water to it and you drink it just before you go to bed at night. Magnesium regulates neurotransmitters that helps us to have proper sleep cycle. It also regulates the hormone melatonin. Number 4, lavender oil. Now that's a no-brainer, lavender oil, you rub it on your temples, or you can even spritz it in the air, and it will actually help you to become relaxed and calm and get a good night's rest. Another essential oil that I like to use is peppermint. Now I know a lot of people aren't going to agree with this. However, I know it works for me. You can try it too. Whenever I spritz it in the air or put it on my temple, I literally fall asleep like that. So hopefully you'll give it a try and see if it'll work for you the same way. I know that when you use peppermint, it makes you perky and up, but really for me it does the opposite. It just makes me want to go to sleep. So hopefully it'll do the same for you. Now, if you're still having trouble getting to sleep after trying the apple cider vinegar, the honey, the mixture of apple cider vinegar and honey, the lavender, the peppermint, the magnesium, if you're still having problems going to sleep, then you might want to reconsider changing your lifestyle habits. First, you can cut back on the caffeine and establish a regular bedtime. Maybe try meditation and avoid staring at the screen or TV screen or your cell phone screen just before bedtime. I hope you'll give one of these quick fix a try just to see which one works best for you. Like, share, and remember to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos that I post up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.